Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. This time we have a Norwalk 235 heavy duty juicer and hydraulic press. These are generally used for making the healthiest drinks out of your fruits and vegetables. You've got your vortex cutter on this side that creates pulps out of your fruits or vegetables, and then you can squeeze it out of the hydraulic press that provides up to 1,000 pounds of pressure on that side. I just really wanted to show you how this unit is functioning and do a quick demo of the hydraulic press working. I'll go ahead and show you what this vortex cutter looks like and how easy it is to take off. So simply do that, and there's your cutter there and the cylinder here. You are gonna have to source a few of the accessories that you can use with this item. That includes the pan here, the thing that pushes your fruits there, the pan here for collecting the juice, and they also offer these socks that catch the pulps. But anyway, again, let's go ahead and do this quick demonstration and turn this thing on. I'll squeeze this. Here's your lever control. You can control the speed or as fast as or as slow as you want it. There you go. Just really have to be careful because it does provide a lot of pressure, and you don't want anything like your hand to be stuck in there. Physical condition is good. It does have a few wear marks like here, and some spots on the chrome. Otherwise, in good shape. As you can see here, I'll go ahead and pan all the way through this item so you can see it. All right, well, that concludes this quick demonstration. I hope it's something valuable to you, or at least you found it interesting. If you like these kind of videos, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.